How to draw and paint a frog. Let's start to draw. Start with letter F because frogs start with letter F. F for frog. Now we draw a frog. Firstly draw a frog head, then frog eyes, and lips. Frog body, frog hands, and frog legs. Wow, frog drawing complete. Now we are doing colors in frog and alphabet F. Rainbow color in letter F and green color in frog belly, yellow color in frog face, brown color in frog hands, and brown color in frog legs. Wow, beautiful and gorgeous. Our drawing is complete.